here, the Unmanned Systems Research Group as well. So we'll see who we can talk to. So we can go in here and talk to someone. 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
Hello, hi.
Hey,
Nice to meet you too. 일단 소개부터 부탁드립니다.
Okay, my name is Hyunchul Shim. I'm professor of our research group, and our group is the Unmanned Systems Research Group, 무인시스템연구실, and we have our special booth here to. 영어로 한국말로 한가요? 상관없어요?
상관없어요.
Okay, so we are trying to show you the setup here. And,
okay.
The reason we have a little this kind of building is that we have a drone that is capable of flying indoor. So you know there are literally thousands of drones in display, but those drones are not capable of flying indoor, but they are using GPS. So there's nothing wrong with that. They are flying.
Of course,
different
purposes.
But this particular drone is. We use a special sensor, a LiDAR, to measure the surrounding, and then you can compute its locations using very complex math equations programs, and then you're able to fly inside and avoiding any kind of obstacles.
Is it autonomous flying?
It's autonomous, yeah.
Oh, okay. So it's actually flying without anyone piloting it.
So we do, when it started with a little trigger on the transmitter, everything else, all the flight process is done by itself.
Really?
So that is autonomous.
And then it'll go through.
Yeah. So here we have a little gate. First there's a little plant. We have to go around it, and then there's a wall. We go around it, and then there's a door. We have the opening there. The drone will come out of there and land over there with the H mark.
How long does that whole process take?
I say less than a minute. Very
really?
short. Yeah.
Can we see it?
Sure. Why don't you start it?
Oh, absolutely. That'd be great.
Okay.
Oh, there we go.
So as you can see, he's not really, that's the controller initiated, so he's not proven.
So he's not using it right now?
He's not really using it. This is a transmitter. And it is doing all the things by itself. But we do still have it because in case of any,
sure.
Unexpected behavior, because we have a lot of people inside.
Right. Now it can avoid people too if they're walking through.
Yeah, exactly. I think if he's still there, he just tries to really go around it.
All right, so
we can do it again. You can chase it from the back. Yeah.
Oh, there it goes. And now it's going to come back and land
over there.
Wow. That's insane. I still can't believe there's no one controlling it.
So we can do it again, and in this case, if you wanted, the cameraman can follow. But don't try to go in front of it because you try to avoid it.
We can follow it?
Yeah, you can go inside.
Go in now?
Yeah, sure.
Can we try one more time? All right, let's give it a shot. All right, we're going to try one more time, but we're going to follow it. Don't get in front of the drone because then that could be dangerous. But I guess we're going to start up.
They try to avoid it. And then they're moving, it constantly recomputes the trajectory.
Yeah, no, it's good.
They cause some kind of complex.
I don't want any disasters here.
Yeah, it's very hard to get hurt by this, unless you really deliberately put your fingers.
No, I hope not. No, I think I'll be okay.
So if you just bump around like this, we have a protective position.
Right.
The frame.
Okay, so this will. So what is going on right now? It's delivering information.
It's a computer, right? So well, every drone has their own computers, but they are user friendly. They turn it on. But this is a research project, so he has to initiate a program, and that's what he's doing. So there are like 8 programs running simultaneously.
Wow. So all 8 programs are then. How does that work? It's uploaded to it, or
it's
is
already
it
there? He's just starting it.
Just starting the program. Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm clearly not a computer expert either.
So you can see that's a map. So we don't really have the whole map here. This map is built every time. And the partial map, we call partial map, is the map covered by the LiDAR. It is seeing right now. So it is seeing over there up to here. Right. So you can see this part of the part, but you don't really see inside of it. So if you can connect it and you can somehow follow it.
So we're gonna 따라가는 거예요. So
maybe it's just still there as long as it doesn't move. Then it can be either registered as an obstacle, then you can still try to go around it. 나 앞에 상관없잖아. I think he just worried about the liability.
Oh, don't worry. I'm strong. Oh, this is
Yeah, unless you put your fingers.
no, no way. I know better than that. All right, so we're gonna follow it through. But this is a little bit loud, but it's autonomous right now. So why don't we go on in? All right, so it's looking around in front of it, and we're watching a. Not only is there no pilot in there, there is no pilot. Actually, let's see if we can get him in here. There we go. On its own, it's avoiding obstacles. This is pretty cool. So as long as we don't go in front of it, it's looking, it's going straight to the wall. It realizes there's an obstacle. It's really loud, I bet. I should probably not do that. Whoa. And now it's going to land on the helicopter pad right over here. Nobody controlling it. Wow, that's pretty neat. Well, thank you so much. That's such a cool that's a cool project that you have going on, and very impressive.
There was a domestic competition in 2019 and 2020, so win the both competitions.
Did it really?
Yeah. So this is a drone that won the first competition.
Yeah.
There's another one, the second competition.
Yeah. Well,
So,
thank you so much for
No
taking
problem.
time out of your day
No problem.
to share this
My
with us.
pleasure. Thank you.
And good luck with everything this week.
great, thank you. You too. Have fun.
Yeah, I will. I am.